Ever used an app or website that left you feeling frustrated and confused because of poor UI and UX experience? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, an outstanding user experience is more critical than ever. Welcome back, entrepreneurs, to our Apptunics YouTube channel. Today, we're back with another exciting topic: how UI and UX design impacts your mobile app or website experience. Did you know that nearly 88% of online consumers won't return to a website after a bad experience? The numbers don't lie, and we're here to help you beat the odds. When embarking on UI and UX development for an app or website, it's crucial to consider a range of features to create an exceptional user experience. Here are key features to consider. 1. User-friendly navigation. Intuitive menus and navigation structures that make it easy for users to find what they're looking for. 2. Responsive design, ensuring that the UI adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. 3. Clear information hierarchy, organizing content in a way that prioritizes important information and tasks. 4. Consistency, maintaining uniformity in design elements, such as fonts, colors, and button styles, to create a cohesive user experience. 5. Accessibility, ensuring that the UI is inclusive and usable for individuals with disabilities, including those who rely on screen readers. 6. Interactive elements, engaging features like sliders, carousels, and interactive forms that enhance user engagement. 7. Security, implementing security measures to protect user data and ensure secure transactions. 8. User onboarding, smooth onboarding processes that help new users understand how to use the app or website. 9. In-app messaging, providing a means for users to communicate with customer support or other users. 10. AR/VR integration, integrating augmented or virtual reality elements where applicable to enhance the user experience. Let's now discuss various factors and costs that can significantly impact the process. Here are some of the key factors and cost considerations. 1. Project scope and complexity. The complexity of your project, such as the number of features, functionalities, and integrations, can affect the time and effort required for UI and UX design. 2. Target platforms and devices. The choice of platforms, iOS, Android, web, and the diversity of devices impact the design and development process. 3. User research and testing. In-depth user research, usability testing, and feedback collection are essential for creating a user-centric UI and UX. Design complexity. The complexity of the visual design, including custom graphics, animations, and interactive elements, affects both the user experience and development efforts. 5. Iterative design and testing. Iterative design, user testing, and feedback-driven improvements are essential for refining UI and UX. Maintenance and updates. Ongoing maintenance and updates are necessary to keep the UI and UX current and functional. 7. Marketing and promotion. Marketing and promotion strategies, including landing pages, advertisements, and user onboarding, impact user acquisition and initial user experience. Now, if we talk about estimated costs, it could be as low as $15,000 or as high as $50,000. However, if you want to incorporate advanced features and functionality, then the cost would be $80,000 or more. At Apptunics, our UI and UX experts specialize in creating digital experiences that users adore. Our team of experts will elevate your website and app, making them user-friendly, visually stunning, and perfectly intuitive. Imagine watching your app transform from a frustrating maze into a smooth, user-friendly journey. That's what we do best. Countless entrepreneurs have witnessed their businesses thrive with our support. Increased user engagement, reduced bounce rates, and a thriving bottom line, these are the outcomes of exceptional UI and UX. So, fellow entrepreneurs, if you're eager to transform your app or website and unlock its full potential, reach out to Apptunics. Let's give your users the exceptional experience they deserve and propel your business to new heights. Don't let this chance to transform your business slip away. Contact Apptonix today, and let's craft a winning UI and UX strategy for your app or website. Your path to success begins here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting entrepreneurial insights. Stay charged, stay innovative, and we'll see you in the next video.